Hello and welcome to this instructional video on how to solve for a variable in a simple algebraic equation. In this video, we will be solving the equation 6 times x plus 4 equals 22. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the steps needed to find the value of the variable x. So let's get started. To solve for the variable x in the equation 6x plus 4 equals 22, the first step is to isolate the term that contains the variable. In this case, that means we need to get rid of the plus 4 on the left-hand side of the equation. To do this, we perform the inverse operation of addition, which is subtraction. We subtract 4 from both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. When we subtract 4 from 6x plus 4, we are left with 6x because 4 minus 4 equals 0. This simplifies the left-hand side to just 6x. On the right-hand side, we also subtract 4 from 22, so we calculate 22 minus 4, which equals 18. Now the equation is simplified to 6x equals 18. This is the result of our first step, and it sets us up for the next step, which will help us to completely isolate x. To continue solving for the variable x in the equation 6x equals 18, our next step is to completely isolate x by itself. Since 6x means 6 times x, we need to undo this multiplication to solve for x. The inverse operation of multiplication is division, so we divide both sides of the equation by 6 to keep the equation balanced. On the left-hand side, 6 divided by 6 equals 1, and 1 times x is just x. This simplifies the left-hand side to just x. On the right-hand side, we need to divide 18 by 6. 18 divided by 6 equals 3, so the right-hand side becomes 3. Now our equation is simplified to x equals 3. This is the final step, and we have completely solved for x. Therefore, the value of x is 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.